people tend to assume and, judge things, without knowing the real result or the answer. Don't assume, get to know me. Sipping fast, moving slowly. Lately I've been lonely. They snake me, they phony. Come today, come right now. I'ma come one day. I don't know about right now, 'cause I don't know who to trust. I need time to open up. Put the glass on the table, cranberry juice to sober up. I done put people first, and they left me for last. I suggest you be careful what you tell a person, 'cause they gon' use it against you. You ain't listening. What this man? And every time we close, you show me why we should be distant. I communicate, I don't complain. Only thing that you prove to me is that you the same.